Be merciful to me, O Lord, for I am in distress. My eyes grow weak with sorrows, my soul and my bad body with grief.
My name is Ronnie, and I want to tell you how a small metal bar changed my life. I'm a theology student at the Adventist University in Lima, Peru. I didn't grow up an Adventist and used to cause trouble with my friends. In fact, I was converted at an evangelistic meeting where I went to heckle the speaker, but God touched my heart, and I ended up being baptized. Now I'm training to be a pastor. I want to tell others about the joy that I've found in my new life. I have seen how God has helped me many times in my life. Whenever I ask God for something, He always answers me with a yes or no. He always answers me. It was a miracle that my life was changed. Now I want to help others become changed. The university where I attended school has a beautiful campus and is home to students from many countries. The school's growing and new buildings are going up quickly, though they can't keep up with the growth of the student body. My dorm room is very simple, and many students have to share rooms just to fit in. Space is very limited, but I love it here at this school, and I'm preparing to be a pastor. One day last year, I was hurrying to teach a class to my Pathfinder club, when all of a sudden I felt a burning sensation in my right eye. I couldn't see anything, and it hurt very badly. I had run into a metal bar that had been used to dry the clothes of some of the other students in the dorm. I ended up in the hospital for many weeks, and the doctors wanted to take my eye out. I pleaded with them to give me a few days so that God could save my eye. I needed my eye to be a pastor. One doctor agreed to try a surgery to save my eye, and it worked. My vision is still impaired, but I can still fulfill my dream of being a pastor.
Me sentí plenamente feliz porque
I felt very happy because I knew that God had called me, and I told Him that if He would give me my vision back, I will know that you have blessed me and that you have called me. If you don't give my vision back, I will then know that you haven't called me. I prayed to God asking for my vision back because I wanted to be a pastor, and I was so happy when my eye was saved. Even though my vision is blurred in my right eye, I can clearly see that God has a plan for me and my life. I want to honor Him by helping others as a pastor. Your support of the mission offering helps students like me all over the world achieve their dreams of pastoral ministry. Thank you for helping to fulfill the gospel commission to take the good news of Jesus to the whole world.